Mary Jane Veloso, has the DOJ reached out to the family?
We're actually evaluating lahat ng options, no, for Mary Jane Veloso. May mga legal nuances. Yes, definitely, no. Definitely, pag natapos yung aming study, by next week we will reach out so that we come up with an understanding kung ano rin yung expectation ng family ni Miss Mary Jane Veloso.
Posible pa ba, sir, na that the DOJ will recommend that Mary Jane be granted clemency?
Everything is possible. Yung basta ang kailangan kasi syempre hindi naman natin pwedeng isubo sa presidente kung illegal yung proseso, di ba? Kaya lahat pinag-aaralan. Masusi natin pinag-aaralan. Pero nasa ano yan? Tulad ng napag-usapan natin before the Holy Week, no? Nasa listahan ko yan ng priority. Definitely the DOJ, myself will reach out so that pag nakumpleto ko na yung team ko, pag nakumpleto na namin yung legal options, no, we will sit down with the family para yung expectation nila at saka kung ano yung what is legally possible and realistic para maintindihan nila, no? Okay?
Thank you, sir.